Really enjoying with the faculty that you guys have in place. Teachers are there's not a huge age gap between the teacher and the child, so they are able to understand him and he's able to understand them. This is one of the few places where I've seen this kind of an approach where everyone is very friendly, very helpful, very encouraging. It is really nice. I like to see the way progressively the child is taken through one level and the next and the next and the next. And it's all a very clearly planned out, charted syllabus for him. We know exactly what he's doing. He knows exactly what he's doing, what he's going to do next. Like, I really wish we had something like this in our time, and I would definitely have been doing it. Knowing coding is useful not just for a coder or for a programmer, but say if someone like me today, I'm working in the finance field, I'm always constantly looking for ways where I can, automate my processes, or I can do something to save time, to save human intervention, to fewer errors, everything. And that's today, that is what's more important, information in your fingertips, doing things faster. So as a coder, you can not only just program, but you can also make these small tasks, everyday tasks, so much more easier at workplace. Instills a lot of logical problem solving.